Welcome to Nuer Language School. In today's lesson, we are going to learn Nuer English basic phrases. If you are new to Nuer Language School channel and this is your first time, please I will ask you tip the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so when we upload a new video you can be notified. Let us start with good morning teacher. Good morning. In Thok Nath you can say Male ke run wang ngich. Teacher mean ngich. Male ke run wang ngich. Good morning teacher. Male ke run wang ngich. How are you? How are you? Male. How are you? Male. How are you? Simple. You can say male. How are you? Male. Okay, how are you? Male. I am happy today. I am happy today. En tet loshda en wale. En teloiden wale. I am happy today. En teloiden wale. You can say en teloiden en wale. I am happy today. I am going to school. I am going to school. En wadul gore. En wadul gore. I am going to school. En wadul gore. I am going to school. You can say en wadul gore. I am going to school. En wadul gore. What is today lesson? What is today lesson? Engu misha ngejen wale. Engu misha ngejen wale. You know, with question mark. Bel teacher. Engu misha ngejen wale. What is today lesson? Engu misha ngejen wale. Can you repeat please? Language. Okay, language. She jade nyok alwatch. She jade nyok ke alwatch. She jade nyok alwatch. Language. She jade nyok alwatch. Can you repeat please? Language. She jade nyok alwatch. Michiran chaji ladur, or if somebody asks you to repeat something, you can say language. She jade nyok alwatch. Please, can you repeat it? Or can you repeat please? Language si jade nyok watch. I understand. Melude. The meaning of I understand. I understand and shelling. I understand and shelling. I understand and shelling. I do not understand. I do not understand and Kaneling. I do not understand. Sometime you can say I do not understand. I understand. And shelling. Let go back here. And shelling like jechublo. You understand something. Thok Nath you can say and shelling, or you can say it again. And chup loid. Okay, that's one thing. Here I do not understand and canneling, or you can say and she shup lodged. Okay, you can use these two sentences. And canneling, or you can say and she shup loid. I do not understand. May I ask a question? May I ask a question? And they teach and they teach. May I ask a question? And they teach. You want to ask a question. And they teach. You can say and they teach. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ban jek irun. Ban jek irun. Run. Banjek irun. See you tomorrow. Banjek irun. Okay. Please let's repeat this again. Good morning teacher. Male kurun wangich. How are you? Male. I am happy today. Entaloide and wale. I'm going to school. En wadul gore. What is today lesson? Ngumisha ngej and wale. Can you repeat please? Langaji chijadenyo kalosh. I understand. En chelling, or you can say en chechubloide. I do not understand. En kane ling, or en chechubloide. May I ask a question? And they teach. And they teach. May I ask a question? See you tomorrow. Banjik Irun. Okay. If you are new to Nuer Language School channel, please, I would like you to have the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video or a new lesson, you can be notified. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.